Inside a private enclosure, a lion affectionately licks a man, then suddenly turns fierce. But the walls save him. In a shocking twist of nature, a crocodile drags a helpless monkey underwater. Raw survival in motion. A great white shark bursts from the waves in a spectacular leap. A shark circles a surfer's board, sending chills down his spine before swimming away. Deep in the jungle, an elephant charges a safari truck in hot pursuit. A playful dolphin bumps a boat, but glides away harmlessly.
We lost both rudders.
Near the coast, thousands of fish gather at the shoreline, glittering under the sun. A roaring lion charges toward tourists, then retreats into the forest with a thunderous growl. In the icy slopes of Alaska, a polar bear charges at snowboarders. A flock of hungry seabirds dive straight into the ocean, precision hunters chasing a silver feast.
It's raining. The forecast is raining birds, raining again.
In a rare peaceful moment, two bears splash and play in the water like carefree children.
Comentaba acerca del cocodrilo que...
Two young crocodiles wrestle in their enclosure, an audience of humans watching primal power.
No, keep the chicken only.
The shark circles the boat menacingly, but the man remains calm. Bravery or pure disbelief? No one knows. An elephant playfully kicks a ball that hits a child's face, then gently wraps him in its trunk like saying, sorry. On open grasslands, gorillas clash in a wild brawl. Tourists filming every second of nature's raw power. A dog launches a surprise attack on a cardboard box. Sometimes instincts don't need a reason.
All right, you killed it. You killed it, Mickey. All right, enough. Enough, come here. Good job.
In the muddy delta, a hippo lunges at a motorboat, but misses and sinks back beneath the waves. A cyclist's ride turns chaotic when he crashes face first into a massive horned deer. In an unbelievable fight, a leopard attacks a crocodile in the water and wins. countryside road, a motorcyclist collides with a herd of cows. A man leaps from his boat, landing right on top of a shark. Fearless or foolish, it's hard to say.
Cut it! Oh! Did you get it? Yeah!
A black bear drops into a pig pen, only to be chased out by the furious pigs. A peaceful prayer turns hilarious when a cat jumps on the man's shoulder mid-meditation.
The very first hymn.
A cat sips from a cup on the table, completely ignoring the man beside it. Typical feline confidence.
Why?
A pride of lions turns on one of their own, but another male rushes in to save him in a dramatic rescue. Mischievous monkeys snatch a man's camera in the jungle, then take their own wildlife documentary.
Open the camera! Yo, monkey! No!
A safari turns tense as an elephant charges the vehicle, until the driver's shout sends the giants retreating. A boy's fishing trip takes a wild turn when a crocodile bites the bait, sending him running for his life. A cat lounges inside a truck at night, looking more like the driver than the passenger. In the Antarctic snow, penguins suddenly start fighting. Cute until the flippers start flying. A cheetah climbs a tree to enjoy its meal, but rivals below are already plotting an ambush. When a lion spots the cheetah's food, roles reverse. Predator becomes prey in a dramatic treetop showdown.
Let's try to go around this way.
A clever turtle rides a mini skateboard, slow and steady, but stylish. A bird lands on a power pole and gets struck by lightning. An elephant barges into a house, tearing through the roof like it owns the place.
No.
A herd of elephants storms toward a buffalo herd, sending them scattering in panic. cat clings to a ceiling fan before falling. Sometimes curiosity really does take you too high. A raccoon grabs a mop and starts cleaning the floor. Nature's most unexpected janitor.
Spare change, man.
Inside a zoo, a restless gorilla spins in circles. Captivity, driving instinct into repetition. In a funny scene, 3 lions play with a barrel, until one gets stuck inside and his friends fail to help. Two giraffes battle fiercely, swinging their long necks like hammers. Grace meets brutality.
Head is stuck.
Deep in the savannah, a lion feasts on a hippo, its entire head buried inside the carcass.
The little elephant is a hatch.
A clever rat unlocks its own cage door, proof that brains come in all sizes. Two alligators clash by the water's edge, a prehistoric duel of teeth and scales.
Are you on the trampoline?
A fennec fox bounces on a trampoline, pure joy wrapped in fur and big ears. A man scratches a stingray underwater, and the creature responds like a happy pet.
How do you tickle a fish?
Sea otters toss a ball between them in the water. Nature's cutest game of catch. A cat hilariously stops the music by removing the disc. DJ Kitty ends the party. Hundreds of birds short-circuit a power pole, lighting up the city sky in sparks and feathers. A flock of sheep see a dog and instantly retreat. Cowardice never looked so fluffy. a man lifts an entire crocodile and walks off through the city. Another bird raids a store, snatching snacks while customers stand frozen in disbelief.
Didn't the seagulls want to snatch it away?
A pigeon fends off its rivals to protect its meal. Small wings, big attitude. A raccoon rides a tiny bicycle indoors, proof that chaos can also be adorable. A clever rat shoots hoops for treats, proving brains can beat brawn any day. Elephants roll in the mud, covering themselves completely. Nature's natural spa day. A rat plays with a cat, and surprisingly, the cat plays along. Friendship knows no species. A monkey drinks from a bottle, like a true human in the jungle. A bold bird swoops down and steals food right off a diner's plate. Swift, smart, and shameless. Finally, a curious bird photobombs a man's video. Nature's way of saying, "Hey, film me too."
Hey, Toto, checking out the camera, Mark.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
A crocodile glides silently underwater. From beneath the surface, crocodiles ambush animals. A crocodile attacks a pig, pure instinct and raw survival. Two alligators brawl on the grass. A deer escapes a crocodile with lightning-fast reflexes. A crocodile launches at a fish with perfect timing. Dinner served. A crocodile attacks a leopard drinking water, dragging it into the deadly deep. A cheetah escapes a crocodile underwater speed, even works in panic. A group of crocodiles tries to attack a lion. Risky move, wrong target. Alligators roll in mud, living their best spa day. Messy, but relaxing. Lions gang up on a crocodile at the riverbank. Land versus water. Dominance decided. A crocodile lunges at a man near the riverbank, but luck favors the brave as the reptile's jaws snap just inches away. Somewhere deep in Florida's wetlands, an alligator strikes a man's boat, sending him tumbling into dark, murky waters. A leopard attacks a crocodile and drags it out. The hunter becomes the hunted.
The moment for revenge had come.
A crocodile lunges at a swimming goose, a sudden strike from below. In the wild swamps of Africa, one crocodile turns on its own kind, devouring the head of another in a shocking act of dominance. In a heart-stopping moment, a swimmer narrowly escapes as a crocodile attacks from below. Pure survival instinct in action. Inside a safari park, a lion suddenly charges at a man behind the cage, reminding everyone who truly rules the wild. The glass barrier saves the man from becoming dinner. A man tries to feed an alligator for the camera, only to realize just how fast death can strike. A leopard climbs effortlessly up a tree inside its enclosure. As a tiger strikes the cage just inches from his camera, while a tiger leaps high to claim its prize mid-flight. A tiger dives gracefully into the water. Even a mighty tiger fears water pressure. A funny moment. A lion's sudden roar sends a woman stumbling back. A tiger races toward a cameraman with primal intent. The bars are the only thing standing between life and death. A tiger takes down a man. Inside the cage, a man plays with tigers like family. One wrong move could end the trust forever. Deep in the Indian jungle, a tiger ambushes a deer. One clean strike, nature's brutal ballet. A tiger climbs a tree mid-hunt, chasing prey with breathtaking determination. In the forests of Assam, a tiger dares to challenge an elephant. Villagers watch in shock as a tiger drags a cow by the neck, filming what no one dares to stop. With lightning speed, a tiger snatches a running deer, a masterclass in predatory precision. In a flooded jungle stream, a tiger overpowers a bull. The struggle of strength and survival. On a lonely forest road, a tiger emerges from the dark.
वापसी गया
In an unbelievable moment, a tiger grips a car bumper with its jaws. Tourists inside frozen in fear. Night vision footage captures a biker's lucky escape from a charging tiger. Pure adrenaline on two wheels. A tiger leaps at a safari vehicle in Ranthambore, but the metal cage holds firm. Three furious tigers circle a tour bus, but safety barriers turn potential tragedy into tense spectacle. Lions and tigers clash in ancient rivalry. Inside an enclosure, a lion overpowers a tiger. A white tiger finds itself trapped as a lion strikes. Nature's kings rarely share their throne. Behind the bars, a white lion lunges at a tiger. In the wilderness, a tiger challenges a lion. A tiger sneaks up from behind a lion, proof that even predators must watch their back. Lions clash again under the blazing sun, each fight a test of pride and power. Two lions battle ferociously in the jungle, the ground trembling beneath their roars.